This is the practice test for decimals, and here we're looking at problem number 5. It says arrange the following in order from least to greatest, and we're given these 4 decimal numbers here, and I've listed them over here from the least down to the greatest. Now, the way we want to look at these decimal numbers is we look at the first place value in the tens place, and we see that they all have a 7, so the tens place does not tell us which one is larger or smaller. So then we go to the second decimal place to the right, and we find that the 6 here on this decimal number here is the smallest. And so that would mean that this number here is our smallest of the 4 decimal numbers. And then the second largest would be this one here, because we can always put zeros to the right of a decimal number, and this would be a smaller decimal number than this one here, which would have the 9 in the thousands place. So, and then the largest number would be this one here because of the 8 in the hundreds place. So this would be the order from smallest to largest, and if we look down through our answers, we have to be careful to pick out the right one, and letter D would be the answer from least to greatest in order.